Okay, so let's look at section 7.2. This time we're going to look at angle relationships in quadrilaterals. So quadrilaterals are four-sided figures. So I've got an example of a quadrilateral here. I'm just going to outline in pink. Okay, so it's four sides. The interior angles, which are the angles inside, they all add to 360 degrees. So angle A, B, C, and D. And the one way, and we're going to look at this more so tomorrow, how many triangles can I make from one vertex? I can make two of them. And each of these triangles here has 180 degrees here. This one has 180 degrees. To add them together, you get 360. So all interior angles add to 360 degrees. Now, with any polygon, any closed-sided figure, okay, all the angles will always equal 360 degrees, the exterior. So angle W, X, Y, W, Z, Y, and X, add them all up, 360. And with triangles also, all the exterior add to 360. Okay, so let's look at some examples. This is a parallelogram. The one thing we have to remember with a parallelogram, you got parallel lines. This side is parallel to this side, and this one parallel to this side. Okay. The one thing about a parallelogram, you can draw, the C pattern. So if I draw the C pattern, I know that these two angles should add to 180 degrees. Okay, so this is 103, this one has to be 77. The other thing that you'll notice with a parallelogram is that this angle and the one that's opposite will be the same. So these two are the same, and these two are the same. Okay, so let's look at a couple of examples. It asks you to find the missing angle measures. So remember, this symbol means 90 degrees. Okay, what is X? So you got to think to yourself, this is interior. What do all the interior angles of a quadrilateral add to? All the interior angles add to 360 degrees. Can you bring the camera more here? Okay, so if I take 360 degrees, I subtract 95, 65, 90, I get X being 110. Okay, let's do the same idea here. Again, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, a quadrilateral. These are interior angles. We're trying to find angle X. Once again, all the interior angles of a quadrilateral add to 360. So take 360, subtract each of those angles. Get 120. Okay. So this one here, we're going to find the value of X. Okay, so we know that all the exterior angles add to 360. So take 360 and subtract each of these angles, and we get X equaling 46. Now it also asks you to find the interior angles. So can we just come back here for a moment? So if this is 146, to find this interior angle, remember these are supplementary. So if this is 146, I take, remember supplementary angles add to 180. I get 34 degrees here. If this is 65, again, I have the supplement here. So 180 take away 65, I get 115. If this is 116, remember again, these are supplementary. The supplement to 116 is 64. And then do the same idea here. 180, take away that 33, and this angle here is 147. Okay, and that's it. And B is the exact same thing. All the exterior angles add to 360. So take 360, subtract the angles. So this is 65. Remember, to find the interior one, you do the supplement. Supplementary angles, once again, add to 180. So take 180, subtract 65, you get 115. 180, take away 120, you get 60. 180, take away 40 is 140. 180, take away 135 is 45. And another way to check is all these interior angles should add to 360. And that's it.